So linear relation is the relationship between 2 points on a straight line. Now, phone away. Slope. What does the slope mean? When you're talking about, let's say, a set of stairs, and you say this stairs is steep, what are you measuring? The height versus what? The width. Thank you. The steepness means how up, straight up, or like how vertical is it going. So you're measuring its height versus its width. Okay? So when we're talking about slope, the slope is the steepness of the line. Okay? Okay? So we call it the slope. The steepness is the slope. It measures the rate of change of one point with respect to another point. So if the question is asking you for the slope, it's asking you for the rate of change. It's the same thing. If the question is asking you for the rate of change, it's asking you to find the slope. They are the same, exact same thing. So when you are asked to change or to measure the slope, you're going to ask yourself, for every unit change in x, how much does y change? Okay? So if I want to measure the steepness of this line, I'm going to have to see how much does my y change with respect to every x. That's what it is. In other words, I have to look at my rise and the run. Okay? I have to look at the rise from the one point to the other and the run from one point to the other. So the rise, as you can see in the blue highlight, it's the vertical distance, right? It's going up. Up means vertical. Between the 2 points on a straight line. So again, if you look here, this is your point, this is your second point. Your rise is the difference between how much are you going up from that point to that point. So in this case, your rise is 2. Okay? Because from this point to this point, you're going up 2. So you're going up 2, and you're going over how much? 1, 2, 3. So your run is 3, your rise is 2. Okay? So the run is the horizontal distance between 2 points on a straight line. When we are trying to find the slope, we use the letter M. M represents the slope. Why M? Don't ask me. Yes, slope doesn't have anything to do with M, but they represent slope with the letter M. So, if you have the 2 points, to calculate the slope, you need to find your rise, you need to find your run, you're going to divide. Okay? So you're going to divide your rise over run. So that will be your vertical over your horizontal. So the important thing first is to locate your 2 points. Okay? You're going to find 2 points on your straight line, and then you're going to see how much does it go up, how much does it go across, right? So, I have this example. My 2 points are clear, right? 0.04 and 0.35. These are 2 points. How much is my rise from 0.4 to 3.5? What's my rise? How much did I go up by? 1. Do you agree? Do you guys agree that I went up 1? Okay. So up 1 over how much? What's your run? 1, 2, 3. So what would be your slope for this? What did you say the formula for slope is? Rise over 1. What's my rise? 1. What's my run? 3. So your slope, which is M, is 1 over 3. Okay? Go up 1 over 3. Now, I have my 2 points, right? So my point is right here. What am I doing here? Down how much? 2. Down 2, right? So that's 1, that's 2. Okay? So that's down 2. That's why it's negative, because it's down. Over how much? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So down 2 over 4. So what's my slope? -2 over 4. That's your slope. Can I simplify? I can divide both by 2. Yeah. So I can divide this by 2. So they're both divisible by 2. Divide this by 2. So my slope is going to be -1 over 2. Okay? So always you want to try to simplify your slope. Okay? If you can divide them by the same number, you have to do that. Can you guys tell me, what do you notice about this line? Is it decreasing or increasing? do you notice about this line? Decreasing or increasing? Decreasing. Slope of an increasing line is positive. Slope of a decreasing line is negative. This is how you know if you are correct or not. So, positive slope so following the line from the left to the right, the rise goes up. Okay? So if I follow the line from left to right, I am rising. I'm going up. If the slope is negative, following the line from left to right, the rise is going down. So it's decreasing. Slope is increasing, it's positive. Slope is decreasing, it's decreasing, the slope is negative. Are you guys okay with this? So to find the slope, what do I need to do? Find 2 points on the line and see how much it rise over the right. Okay? So what you have to do right now is there is a worksheet at the back. This worksheet is basically your homework worksheet, but you have to work on it until the end of the period. So the question is asking you to determine the rise and the run between the pairs of points shown and calculate the slope. So it should not be too hard for you. Okay? If you're still not getting this, come and see us.